Tired of manually typing financial data into Peachtree? Let's bridge the gap between Excel and Peachtree and supercharge your accounting workflow. First, in Peachtree, go to File and then select Import. Export. This is your gateway for bringing data in. Now, in the Import, Export window, from the template list, locate and select Microsoft Excel. This tells Peachtree where your data is coming from. Next, choose the type of data you want to import. Like accounts, for example, click the File folder icon next to the Import File field to browse for your Excel file. Find and select your Excel file containing the data, then click Open. Make sure your Excel file is closed before importing to avoid errors. Now, click Options to configure how Peachtree should interpret your data. Specify the starting row, which fields to match, and how to handle potential errors. This step is crucial for a smooth import. Once you've configured the options, confidently click the Import button. Peachtree will process the data from your Excel sheet. Watch the progress bar as Peachtree efficiently imports your Excel data after it's done. Review the data in Peachtree to ensure a successful transfer. And there you have it. Your data is now seamlessly transferred from Excel to Peachtree. Now spend less time entering data and more actually using it to help your business grow.